are one of the leading manufacturers of pharmaceutical machines. We started the company in the year 2005, and since then we have added almost about 100 product ranges in our basket. We have got a good base in India, plus a lot of solutions are existing overseas. Major markets happen to be USA, Europe, and the Middle East. We provide key pioneering solutions for the pharma aseptic filling lines. That is our forte. And the USP remains like we have got complete fill finish solutions for cartridges, pre-filled syringes, ampoules, vials. The latest addition to our product lines are the aseptic backfilling lines, the ones with complete fully automated robotic handling systems. We have got a lot of innovative solutions as far as the process packaging is concerned. So we maintained our lead on that. We want to integrate. We have even our turnkey projects division where we are trying to offer the complete basket of solutions available with pharma, not limit only ourselves to machines. If you need good machines, if you need the machines which should serve the cause of the industry over a period of time, Snowbell should be the contact point. Yeah, we have got a good in-house R&D setup for almost 50 engineers working with us, coming from different field of engineering, basically mechanical designers, process designers, automation engineers. So it's a single roof, under one roof we are able to provide all the solutions.
For Snowbell, I am associated for so many years, you can say more than a decade, and they are basically making a lot of injectable machines. In my opinion, it is one of the best machine I have seen so far. Snowbell machine is one of the leading manufacturers of injectable machines based in Mumbai in India, and they are making the lot of automated machines, very highly compliant 21 CFR Part 11 compliant machines at an affordable price.